This is our first annual expo, and the purpose of this really is to tell the story of industry. And what that story is that we've got the most technologically advanced industry right here in our backyard. And so this expo is meant to bring together contractors, vendors, and suppliers to showcase the latest and greatest in technology to keep our facilities safer, stronger, more efficient, more reliable, and really just showcase all the great things that are happening here in Louisiana.
What we are trying to accomplish here with this industry showcase event is to give people in the industry the opportunity to network and make connections that'll benefit them in the future. And we would also like to show the public all of the great work that industry does and the positive effect that it has on our community.
What you're looking at is the new technology which Wood and Explorabot have been working on to bring a new innovative way to inspections in the oil and gas industry.
Tell us, how does it work and what does it do?
So how does it work? So the technology is the robot. We'll set it up on its own route in a plant. It'll go around, it'll capture an image of how the plant looks on a daily basis. Then what we can do is with the robot itself, we can mount different sensors, whether that be thermal, whether that be gas detection, whether that be noise, and we'll get that baseline of the facility. On a daily basis, the robot will do its route, the same route it did previously, and we'll take it, and the real cool piece is the technology in the background. Once the robot has captured that, it uploads the images to the cloud, and it will compare what it has today versus what it had yesterday. And where there's those semblances of anomalies, we'll then see, okay, well, we need to get somebody out there to look at it. So we've had some real successes in tracking down some gas releases, looking at where we've had some thermal, bearing overheating, and some noise and vibration, where we can then send our technicians out, have a look at it, and fix it for the operator. This is the latest in safety equipment because it's helping our clients reduce their gas emissions. And as we know in the world today, where we're seeing a lot about carbon reduction, emissions reduction, sustainability goals, this is really helping our clients to meet those. I work for Wood. Wood is a global company, headquartered in Scotland, but headquartered in Louisiana for the Baton Rouge market. Right here, we offer engineering, construction, maintenance services across a broad range of industries, including oil and gas, downstream and chemical, power, renewables, you name it, we do it.
What you're looking at is the latest in technology. This is Thermon's Genesis microprocessor control system for electric heat tracing systems. What we do is monitor electric heat tracing. We provide freeze protection and process maintenance for industrial facilities along the Mississippi River corridor. Thermon's heat tracing systems serve the end users by offering freeze protection for safety showers and other critical processes that take place at the plants. How does it work? So the heat tracing is the external application of heat to a process pipe, tank, or vessel. Thermon is involved with all the major groundbreaking projects in the region, and our products are used throughout industry, throughout the Louisiana region as well as the globe.
We're Alliance Safety Council, and what we do is we support our members in not only preparing their workers for entry into more than 75 facilities here locally, but more than 25,000 contractors nationwide. So we're helping keep everyone in compliance, and in addition to that, making sure that they have all the information they need to work safely and return home the same way that they went to work that day. Our emphasis is on safety, and the new technology and technology solutions that we've been able to develop is giving folks just-in-time information so they can be more responsive to safety needs, and safety incidents and accidents can be averted. Today it's really exciting to see all of the contractors and the owners here interacting, everyone working towards a common goal of being able to tackle these logistical and labor issues. So I'm really glad that everyone that we've got a forum here today to be able to address that.
The Greater Baton Rouge Industry Alliance is a trade association made up in the Greater Baton Rouge region. It covers all the way from Krotz Springs all the way down to Wagaman, made up of petrochemical heavy industry within this area. GBRIA's mission is to bring together our members, petrochemical facilities, to try to advocate with one voice solutions to things like technology, safety, workforce development.
These jobs are extremely valuable to all of us. The industry folks, they make plastic, they make, what we watch our TV on, what we drive our cars with, very essential jobs, and there's always job opportunities for crafts work within the plants, and contractors always needed, and we're always trying to expand and build. The industry is extremely committed to safety. They go through safety audits, they work very hard to make sure their environment is as safe as it can be, and they're always adapting to and advancing in technologies in order to just continue to be as safe as possible. This is also an educational experience for anyone who attends, because they are learning things about water treatment, about safety, about ethics within industry, engineering techniques in order to stay safe and make new things. And this is very important for us because the industry really values staying safe and staying in the know with what's necessary to continue doing the best we can.
I think it's important for the public to keep in mind that industry is always striving to bring together the most innovative companies to keep our industry safer, keep our communities safer, and make our plants efficient, and make us a place where people want to relocate to, bring their facilities, and have a very strong economy because of it.
My reaction to everything here today has just been, I am blown away. I can't believe the turnout. We have been working on this for months, and to see it all come together and to see everyone here talking, networking, it's been very great.
How can people get more information?
You can get more information on this showcase at GBRIA.org.